guys, so happy Wednesday. So I'm currently on the road. I was not able to speak to you guys because I was rushing, of course. But anyways, I am at Jangas. They're having like a carnival launch and one of my friends invited me, so I am here waiting on her. It's supposed to be from 5 to 7 p.m. Rain was falling today, so I think they pushed it back, but it's 6:47 right now, so they have already started. It sounds like a lot of people inside. There are lots of cars here, so I am assuming, that the event probably still finished, but I hope you guys are doing well. After this event, I do have another event to go. I'm going to a soca party, guys. It is the soca season. Soca season has started from February, but it's officially starting in March. So I will be going to a lot of events. Most of them I'm not going to vlog because will be the same thing and etc. So that really don't make any sense. Sorry, I'm just looking to see where she's at. But yeah, either way, I look so cute. I mean, a full black and all that, but you guys will see me. I'll try to do a video and show you guys what I'm wearing. But I hope you guys are doing well. And I'm using the front of the camera, so if it's not good and it looks grainy, I'm not gonna lie, it looks grainy, but we're gonna let it stay. And yeah, we'll catch up later.
Look what the hot body can do. Focus. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Drive wash when I met her inside.
Hey guys, so let me pull this off. So I'm just leaving the event, the Hennessy event. I actually got a gift bag. I did pull, let me just pull and show you guys what's in it. Is that open? So I got a hat, Hennessy hat. Hold on. I got a hat. I got a mug, a Hennessy mug. Ooh, I'm so loving it. This is cute, right? I love it.
Kerrian.
Yes, darling, I'm ready. I'm coming. I'm vlogging. And then I got a t-shirt. Large. What am I even a large t-shirt, y'all? But anyways, at least we got something. So I'm happy about that. And I got a hat. So that's a nice thing. We're gonna head out right now. You ready, ma'am? Ready?
Hello, Kerrian.
Yes, ready.
With the vlogging and one way I'll go.
So guys, I'm heading to the other event that I told y'all about. I'm not gonna look at you guys. Obviously I'm driving, so my eyes have to be on the road. It's 9:45 p.m. in the night. And yeah, you know how road goes, okay? You have to keep your eyes on the road. Anyways, I'm heading to a soca event. It's called Frenchman Lime. If you know Frenchman, Frenchman is a big event. Frenchman is known for uptown rich people events, which it really is, because their prices are, high up. I am not in that category. Oh my God, look at the traffic. I am not in that category, but they do, I do go to most of their events. Because it's always good and fun. And then most of the times I do get complimentary ticket. But tonight, I ain't getting no complimentary. I gotta pay. Your girl gotta pay $2,500 to go into this event. But I'm just gonna work with it, guys. Like I said, it's a soca season, so I will be outside and all of that. Alright, we're in the parking lot, so let me go find a parking. Oh, it's not a lot of cars.
What about this side of silver banner there, please?
There's the last one.
Yeah.
In the bush?
No, it's not in the bush.
Why, sir, I put me in the bush? You don't understand why I put me in the bush. But at least my car is under the light. Like, that's the most important thing. You park under the lights. All right, guys. I have parked. Oh my God, guys, I'm literally under the light. Hold on, let me look where I'm supposed to look. So I'm literally under the lighting and I look good. The girl look nice. By the way, I think I'm loving the blonde and the, what color? I think this is 27. Oh, darn it. I don't remember the color. I'm going to tell you the color braids. I'm going to put it on the screen and tell you the color braids. But this is the first time that I'm ever wearing something like this. Like, I always just wear black or burgundy. But I've never worn like blonde, honey blonde, like those type of hair color. So I'm pretty intrigued. I'm very intrigued. I actually love it. It's cute. I'm not going to lie. Anyways, let me just add lip gloss here, and then we're gonna head into the party. Just check this. By the way, hold on. By the way, guys, I am yet to like do a carnival video. I received an email from somebody asking me about carnival, and they sent the email like November or December, and I'm literally just seeing it like 2 days ago. So I'm gonna I need to go back into it and respond to them and thoroughly apologize. If you are watching this video, I am super sorry. I know the email that I put to contact me, but I really have not been checking it. And I'm so disappointed in myself that you guys have sent, you know, information. I've read the email. You wanted information about carnival and this and that. And it's been a few months and I haven't responded. Like, I feel so bad. So I'm going to respond by tomorrow and just apologize to you guys and let you know I really didn't see the email. And it's my fault for not checking the email that I put on a contact to reach me, you know? Anyways, we're gonna head to the party, guys, so let's go inside. Okay, so we are leaving the event. It's almost midnight and there is so let me just get this straight. It's a friend event. Sorry, birthday. So I am heading to another location. Yeah, so it's a friend of a friend birthday, literally today after midnight. So we are all heading to the club and we're heading to Ribby's. Like, if you know Ribby's is like if you want to go to a club vibe, this is like one of the number one spots you will go. So, oh my God. Yeah. So this is where we're heading. We're heading to Ribby's. So when I get there, I will see what the vibe is like. But I had a great time. Oh my God, I'm passing one of my friend's house right now and I forgot to text him to tell him like I'm literally 2 minutes away from his house. I am so tired. I'm only gonna spend like 2 minutes. Like, I'm sorry, let me be specific. I'm gonna be there for like only 20 minutes. I am extremely exhausted. I'm very tired and exhausted. So
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
Hey guys, so it's a Friday, so TGIF, happy Friday to you, and I am dressed. I am heading out. I am actually going on a solo date. Now, it was supposed to be my friend and I, but, you know, that's not working out again, so I'm just gonna head out by myself tonight. I'm already dressed. I'm in makeup, so I'm not going to take off my clothes and go back in my bed. Probably if I didn't have on any makeup, I would have just crashed. Just go on the road and get some food, get some jerk chicken, and crash and watch Netflix. But the girl face is dead. I did my face, I did my makeup. I am dressed pretty cool for Friday, cash. So I was like, you know what, let me just go out, get lots of food, and then come back home. I may just stay out later, since I think my friends are going somewhere else, but it's whatever. But I'll just head out on our solo days, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys at the restaurant. I've been at this restaurant before. I'm going to go to the Club Cubana restaurant that's on Hope Road. It's Cuban, Caribbean fusion, Mexican type of vibe. So that's the vibe that I'm feeling for. So let's go. I actually changed my outfit. It is looking so dark in my room. This lamp here, I had unplugged it, and you probably need to plug it back in because this room, the lighting is just so poor. Anyways, yeah, so changing this pattern of outfit. I don't know if you guys have seen me in it before, but would be the second time I wear it. Yeah, so just sandals. Let me see. JBW watch, Zara on the feet, MK bag, and this jewelry. I don't know, one of those jewelry store, but I've had it for months and it's not changing color. No, the silver part of it is definitely changing color. Don't mind my bed, y'all. The silver part of it is changing color, but the gold area is not changing. That's perfect. Like I said, I've had it a few months. I have not taken it off my neck because I just can't be bothered. Like, I just feel like my chain, like, I don't need to remove you. I'm sorry. I'm going to scrub you. I'm going to scrub my body properly once I'm showering with my chain on. Earrings, they have to remove, but my chain, I'm sorry. But I definitely need to get another gold chain because this is eventually, going to change and I need a proper one. But yeah, this is the fit. So let's head out on our solo day, guys, and we'll chat. We'll chat when I get there. Listen, guys, gas prices was increased. Yo, I can't freaking see on my screen. My windshield wiper, it's not working. It's not clearing the screen good. So when the other people light reflect on the mirror, I can't see nothing. I'm gonna have to change this wiper. It's not removing the thing. I'm using my water. It's just, Anyways, I'm gonna stop at the gas station. Prices rose today and last night. I saw it. I'm like, wait a minute. If I had knew this, my ass would have just went on the road yesterday and bought gas. Now I'm gonna buy gas at a high price. I'm just not gonna fill my tank. So annoyed that I missed it. I had no idea, y'all. Alright, sir, go on home. You wanna go home? Everybody wants to go home. Nobody don't want to give a little pass. My God. Busy ass Friday. See, I can't see it on my screen. I'm gonna ask the people at the gas station. Oh my God, don't tell me that the gas station is full. Oh, that's Popeye's line. That's Popeye's line. Oh, girl, that's even said thank you. I'm gonna start right there, middle of the road for she cross. Cha-cha. Alright, so I got my gas. I had to go inside to swipe my card. Anyways, there's so much traffic going the opposite direction where I'm going right now, which is a good thing. Excuse me. Oh my god, I should have taken my cough medicine before I left out. Anyways, Carnival is literally 30 days away. 1 month for Carnival Road March. No, Carnival starts from what? April 1? I don't even know. Let's say from April 1 to April 14, something along that line. But Road March Day, which is where you wear the costume and stuff, is on the Sunday. On the Sundays, which is what, the 12th? So, and today is what? Yeah, today's the 12th. My car need a date, you know, I only have time. Why car don't have dates? Well, I guess it's the type of car that I have. But there is a date on it, but it's not showing on the screen. I'm gonna have to go into settings to look. But that's whatever. Why am I driving this way? I don't need to drive this way. But yeah, I was saying like Carnival is literally 30 minutes away. My costume, I'm jumping with a new band. Wait, I think I have jumped with them before, but I'm jumping with Yadmas this year. I am used to Bacchanal, Jamaica, and Exodus. That's what I'm normally used to. Those are the people I normally jump with. But this time around, I'm going with Yadmas, and I can't wait. And honestly, to be frank, I've been jumping Carnival for, it's going on to 13, 15 years right now. And it doesn't matter which band you jump with in a set. Because wait, let me think about that. Because Gen X, I have jumped with Gen X before, and the first year I jumped with them, they disappointed me, so I have no interest in going back with them. So let me take back that talk. I'm not sure if I'm interested in Gen X anymore. Now, if I get me a free one, which I could have gotten a free one, I could have jumped with them last year, but I chose Exodus. Right? So yeah, the Gen X Carnival kind of left a stain on me. Jamaica Gen X, I heard Miami Gen X, their you know, process and costume and just everything is just a smooth sailing. But when it comes down to Jamaica, I had an issue with it. So I don't want to give them another chance, really. If the time comes again, I'll definitely give them another chance around. But yeah. So back to Yadmas. It's Yadmas I'm jumping with this year. My costume is so good. I did not choose a 2-piece this time. Reason being, if you guys watched my last vlog, my belly is not, the belly is a little bit, it's poking out right now. It's not huge, but, you know, it's not what it used to. So I'm like, my 2-piece, I'm not doing that. So I'm wearing a monokini and the feathers, of course. Feathers are not really needed, trust me. Like, feathers are the most expensive part of the costume, and if you don't need feather, you don't need to buy. Feathers are really is mostly for the pictures only, and that's it. Because after lunchtime, you take it off. You know what I'm saying? We take off feathers after lunch. That's like an unspoken rule, a hidden rule. Anyways, I'm just gonna listen to me some music, and we'll chat when we get to the restaurant. Spend Friday with me on a solid 8. I'm so stupid. Who wanna it? Try to make a movie.
I would like to get to know it.
You guys are not able to hear me because music is playing, so you know I can't speak. But at least the music isn't loud. Oh my god, the reflection is so bad. This quality is so bad. Anyways, guys, I'll chat to you later.
I would like to get to know